campsite. Chai is anxious as hell to get outside and look at the campsite. All right, let's go, Chai. It's 8 a.m. I slept in because I underestimated how cold it would be, and to be honest, I didn't really sleep too well. It's beautiful out though. Morning, Joy. Way too cold for me to be comfortable last night. It was about 42 degrees. I threw on every piece of clothing that I brought with me. Chai, where are you? Chai? Chai scared the fuck out of me because I didn't know where she was and she wasn't responding. That's why I have a collar on her, just so she doesn't go out and hurt herself. So the plan today is to make breakfast. Hopefully by the time I'm done eating breakfast, the sun is all the way out and the weather gets a little bit warm, and by that time I'll be fully awake and we could go for a little hike. She loves the sun. It's so cold you can't even see the flame. fast food. Chai's tired. She wants to go back to frickin' bed. Originally, I planned on hiking. There's a lot of rock formations and boulders to kind of explore. But I think just being up here on the boulder is good enough. It's fun. It's a nice view. It's the same view. But I'm okay to just chill. Maybe cook some dinner, relax. Let's go back to camp, Chai. So here's the plan. We're gonna go back to our campsite, which is just right there, and we're gonna do absolutely nothing for the rest of the day. So right now, I'm in deep thought about what the hell I should do tonight. It's cold. I'm already cold. Maybe I'll leave today. Maybe I'll car camp somewhere. This is extremely last minute, but I'm gonna change up my campsite because it was extremely cold and windy last night. And I think it's because the tent is out in the open. So I'm moving everything closer. I moved the blanket closer to the fire, and I'm gonna move the tent closer to this area, which is next to that bush, which is also under the string lights. So I think it's gonna work out. So the plan for today is start a fire and hang out up until I'm all out of wood. Maybe have a snack, maybe make a soup, ramen or something. And I'm definitely gonna sleep early because I don't wanna be up when it's windy and cold. I woke up because I thought it was raining. Assuming it's not raining, it's fucking snowing, so I'm packing up and leaving. Check out Chai's cup, it's frozen. Taking Chai to the car. Alright, goodbye campsite. Went from camping to car camping in minutes because of the rain. I didn't even fully pack, I just threw everything in the car in a very organized manner, and everything's on this left side. I got the mattress on the right side. And honestly, I have the heater on, and I might be more comfortable in here than out there. I didn't get a lot of sleep, so I don't think I'll be mad that I have to stay in the car to rest a little bit more. Anyway, update after I rest, if I even rest. So we slept in the car until about noon time, and it's still cold as shit, but at least the sun is out. So before we head out, she's got to go potty, and we'll say goodbye to Jumbo Rocks.